Oh boy.
Go sniff. Go sniff.
Find those eggs. Luna, go sniff.
Go sniff. We have one.
Oh, we got one. Okay, Kane.
There's one.
Oh, Kane.
Loon, come on.
Come on, Loon. You gotta get this. Oh my God. Loon. Oh no!
And we got it. 5-1.
Oh, fine. Her arousal's too high.
Go sniff. All right, we won't move. Let's just let Mom do her thing.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, she took
Take
it.
the egg.
Oh, he's already on it.
Wow, look at him.
Yes, there's one.
He sees it already.
Smells it.
Get it, Katie.
Yeah. Go sniff.
Some more. Oh, yeah.
Got it. All right.
Walk past it.
Oh, we already. Wait. Oh, sniff. It's close.
Yeah.
Wow, he's good.
Nice here, Luna, for us. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. That counts.
Yeah, that counts.
He's on it.
Good boy.
He found it.
Oh, he's so close. He doesn't
Came up.
even know it. Oh my God, he's almost on it.
Dude, look to your
Dude.
There you go.
There you go. There's a
Good
winner.
job, Katie.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, just let her out. He's not going to.
He will. He will, yeah. As soon as he gets a whiff. He's like, well, wait a minute.
Oh, no way.
No way.
I forgot it was over
Excellent.
there.
Good job, Kane.
Oh, he sees one, I think. He sees
Look
it.
at that distance.
He is the GOAT. Great job, Kane. Emily's going. Great job. We got to open it up. Doesn't break it. Don't point. Let's. Oh, see, he smells the other one.
Oh. We walk by it.
Yeah, and he dug for it.
Get it open,
Yeah.
Katie. Get it open.
Good job, King.
Get it open.
Yeah.
Good boy.